Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings. So today I'm going to show you how to use DSUM function in an Excel workbook. So let's start the learning.
So here I have some data with me. In this I have this heading in which I have division, category and months and the total sale. Okay, so different divisions have different sales. So for using DSUM, why we are using DSUM, when we can use it, you have different type of category here, like copying, overhead, software maintenance, consultants, rent, and so many different categories are there. And if I need a single category, what is the total sale, what is the sum of total sale? So in that case, for segregating and first you have to do apply filter, and single category you have to select, and then you can get the sale. But using the DSUM, it will be very easy, and within uh, some minute of time you can get the sum of the particular category. So I will show you. Okay, so first thing, DSUM, first you have to define the criteria. What is your criteria? Okay, so here my criteria is, first is category. Okay, so one thing you make sure, okay, I am giving this the first criteria as category. So this format of this category should be same as, not format, like font and everything should be same as it is mentioned in the B1 cell, same to same. Okay, no difference should be there. If you are giving this small c and here it is capital C, then you can't use DSUM for this. So category, and as an example for category is my first criteria, and second criteria I will take like telephone. Okay, so I will take telephone is my second criteria. So make this two little different, look different from other field. So make it little, increase the font. Okay, and you can change the color also. So change the color of the cell or anything, like whatever you want you can do, change the color. Okay, this is my first criteria, and I need my total sale column, like what is the total sale of the particular criteria. Okay, so this is my criteria on the basis of which I will use the function DSUM. So I will show you how we are going to do. Just type is equal to DSUM. So here you can see this function, it will appear. So add the number in the field, okay, of record in the database that matches the condition you specify. So I have specified these two conditions, like in the category I need only telephone total sales. So this is my criteria. So just type total sum. Okay, so here you can see the first field is, first one you need to check is database, in which database you are going to find this sum. Okay, second one is field, and third one is criteria. Okay, so I will do one thing, just close this and just insert the function in this formula. Go to insert function and insert the function. Now here you can give your function argument. What is the argument? The first thing is database. So in which database? So in this database I need the calculation to be done. So select this database. Second one is field. So what will be your field? So my field is sales, so you can select this. Okay, so one more thing you can do, here you can see field is either the label of the column in double quotation mark, or a number that represent the column's position in the list. So you can do one more thing, in place of selecting this cell you can give the position of the column, like this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You can give 6 also, give it 6. and criteria. Already we have already predefined our criteria, so this is our criteria. So just select your criteria and press OK. So this is how we got the sum of total sale of the category telephone. Okay, in the same way you can define all your what is the sales value of all different categories using this DSUM function. So this is how we have used DSUM, and it is very useful. So if you have a large database, you can easily use it and you can get your desired data. Okay.
So guys, I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, just do comment it below. I will try to get you the solution. Please do like and subscribe to my channel also, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.